known as Nemuremar Training Wala. Welcome to another episode of TED Talk Review. Today we will talk about teaching with the brain in mind by Dr. Judy Willis. Dr. Wills brings and powerful perspective to education, having spent 15 years as a neurologist before becoming a classroom teacher. She leverages neurosciences to help educators understand how student brains actually learn. In her talk, she examines how emotions, stress, curiosity, and the structure of learning environment impact student engagement and learning. She offers practical strategies, framing lessons to reduce stress, using novelty to trigger curiosity, and creating brain-friendly tasks that minor but motivates in video games. Dr. Wills draws from her neurology background, explaining how parts of brain respond to stress, which can inhibit learning. Because she has actual classroom experience, her advice is not just academic. She gives real teaching strategies that align with how the brain works. She uses the video game model to explain how learning tasks can be designed to be both achievable and challenging. This releases dopamine, which enhancing motivation, memory, and perseverance. Dr. Will stresses the importance of a classroom environment that feels safe to students, emotionally and socially, so they can take risks, make mistakes, and learn. She talks about neuroplasticity, how the brain changes with the use, and how repetition, prediction, and mental effort strengthen neural curiosity. Dr. Wills encourages giving students clear goals and letting them track their own progress so they can see their growth. This enhances intrinsic motivation. While she explained brain mechanism well, some without a science background may find a part of the neurological discussion dense or difficult to apply directly without support of training. Implementing her video game-like challenge model and continuous feedback may require more planning, varied tasks, and differentiated instructions, not always feasible in resource-constrained setting. For students who are already demotivated or have weak executive functions, the jump to achievable challenge might need very careful scaffolding. Teachers must carefully design these tasks so students don't feel overwhelmed. Some might oversimplify her message to just make everything fun and challenging, ignoring deeper structural issues that affect implementation, like curriculum, teacher capacity, class size. Knowing how stress, novelty, and emotion affect learning can help teachers create more effective and responsive classrooms. Use tasks that are appropriately challenging but not too hard. This taps into brain reward system and encourages perseverance. Students learn better when they feel emotionally secure and confident that mistakes are part of the process. Allow students to see their progress so they recognize their own growth, which builds ownership. Encourage practices that strengthen brain pathways. Repetition, prediction, and applying new learning help embedded knowledge and skills. Dr. Wills offers a deeply valuable, research based, and very practical perspective for educators. Her background in neurology gives her insight that many teachers don't normally get, and she translates these insights into actionable strategies. Thank you for watching TED Talk review episode. Goodbye.